Here at Mercedes-Benz of Carlisle, our March sales event is going virtual. Now our front doors may be locked and our showroom might be empty, but don't let that stop you from joining in from the comfort of your own home. We're sure to find your dream car in our wide range of new 21 plates and approved used vehicles. With our sales executives now making use of Zoom calls for your appointments, and our star experts able to take you out for a virtual test drive, we are more than capable of being able to deliver the full experience straight to you. So once you've chosen your vehicle, rest assured that our home delivery and click and collect options adhere strictly to virus guidelines. We are looking forward to seeing you face to face when the time is right, but for now, we're going with the next best thing. So to make the most of our exclusive discounts, get in touch to arrange your personal consultation with a sales exec and we'll handle the rest.